Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Drunk Lady Thinks She Owns the Police, Ends Badly. Ooh, man. Let's get into the video now.
Intoxicated woman was harassing guests in a hotel lobby. Once trespassed, she refused to leave.
Ma'am, you need to leave.
Hi, police.
You need to leave.
You need to leave.
You need to leave.
Oh, you look so sassy.
They asked you to leave, right? So you need to
I'm
go.
not leaving.
You're being trespassed.
I'm not leaving until you show the video of what they've done to me.
You trespass, you need to leave.
I'm not trespassing. I paid for this fucking room tonight.
Okay.
Show the video.
35. Can you start this way, please?
I own the district attorney of New York, and I'm from New York.
Let's go.
You show what they've done to me. He practically raped me. Go back and show the video. I'm going to district attorney.
Can you please start this way?
I'll show the SWAT.
Okay.
Ow!
Don't touch me.
And you won't touch me.
Stop.
Dude, you're so
Well, that escalated quickly.
I have a fucking broken clavicle.
We're going to have to get her,
Wait till you see who I call.
her person. Go ahead.
Go ahead, fat
I'm gonna get her
face.
first, really quick.
Go ahead, fat
I'm gonna get her
face.
first, really quick.
Go ahead, fat face. Cause you're done. You're gonna get fired. Just so you know.
You're going to jail.
They raped me. I don't give a fuck if I go to jail. You live in jail. You fat fucking face. Chubby face.
What's happening?
Chucky cheese. No, get away. I don't fucking.
Why is she calling him fat and she got a kangaroo pouch herself? I mean, like, honestly, let's go back here. Let me see. Look at this. Come on now. You acting like you skinny mini or something like that. Like, bruh. Come on now. You can't be throwing around fat jokes and you not even, you know what I mean? Come on now. You not top tier.
Chuck E. Cheese face.
Cool. You're in jail.
I don't. Do I look like I care?
You will when you get in there.
I don't care.
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna
will when
strip
you get in
naked
there.
and show all my shit for everybody.
Sarasota County Jail.
Leave me alone. La 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 la. He's a fat fucking
We
face.
have to make sure we get his info, obviously.
Hi, kids. Don't get in trouble with these fat fucking face. Huh? Wait till you find out I'm out in an hour. I know every fucking district attorney in New York and now. I'm gonna show my tits to you and then send it to you.
It's all on body cam.
Woo! Don't
Yep,
touch
talk.
me. You know what? I have a broken fucking shoulder, so do it again. Try it again. Rip my shoulder open again. And you're done, fat face. And what about you? What are you? Oh my God, look at this one. Shut the fuck up. Do you know what they're... Hey, do you know what they're doing to those people?
I don't care.
Of course you don't, because you're a cop. You don't give a fuck. You just want your points.
My points.
Your points. Yeah. It's the end of the month. Let's freaking pull people over. They are raping
Well,
girls in
I told him to
there.
start this way because he was dispatched.
They are raping
Oh,
girls in there, you dumb fat
God.
fuck.
Oh my
Do you
God.
care? What if it was your daughter? Your wife?
Jail.
I don't care. I'm going to take off my pants and show my vagina. And then you'll care.
All right. Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't have?
Like what?
Anything that could hurt me potentially.
Get off me, you fat fucker.
Come on. Do you have anything on me that could hurt me?
Oh, perfect. Get his info.
No.
Not you, because you're fucking pretty.
Thank you. All right. Well, I gotta
Get
search.
this fat fucker off
He's
me.
just holding you for my safety.
Are you
so,
going to have
do you have
lesbian with me?
No.
I would love it, because you're fucking gorgeous.
Well, thank you, but I don't think my fiance would appreciate that.
Well, I don't give a fuck what he says.
All right,
He'd
you have
probably
to-
love it
Oh
after
boy.
he's done there. Get that fuck off me.
He's got.
Yo, imagine the first time they seen this footage, like whoever, you know, oversees the footage at night or whatever, you know what I mean? Like the lieutenants or whoever, right? Imagine when they, when they first seen this, they like, yo, I know they got back to the station and they like, yo, listen, the joint from the mall or the joint from the hotel, yo, y'all gotta pull that footage, bro. She is a mess. Yo, she talking spicy, real spicy. You hear me?
I'll hold you while I search you real quick.
Bye, fat fuck. Come get a one after one. Hey, can we get this guy back? Hey, baby.
Can you switch with me real quick? Can you switch with me real quick, Ridge?
No, it's how fucking.
After warning.
How fucking. Can you go home? Does your wife make you your helper? How much you got? Because that's all you're worth.
Okay, we're good.
You're fucking awesome. She wants
This- Should we slip out of that?
That's not even fucking her. I can get out of this in 5 minutes. I'm just
Okay.
gonna tell you.
Well, that's fine.
I was an investigator in New York. So
Oh, wow.
just put me in the back. Put me in the back. I'll be out in 5 minutes.
Okay.
And my ex-husband was a sheriff investigator. And I had 3 cops in Syracuse who will bring you down.
Is this one? Take this one
See,
too.
I
Is that, no?
And when I tell the freaking cops for telling me that you're fucking
Be tighter now.
Guys freaking
They should be
pulled my
good now.
pants
She's
down
fine.
and fucking tried to rape me. I'll be out.
Who's taking her, you guys?
I'm taking myself.
All right.
Woo!
All right, go ahead and gotta hop in.
Don't touch my purse. She stole my money. He stole my money.
No, all Bodycam didn't steal anything.
You did. You just stole it. Don't touch my shoulder or I'm going to med. I'm going to the hospital. Do you have a girlfriend? I think you're gay. You're gay. He's gay. Totally.
Okay, hop in.
What does it have to do with anything? You're going to jail.
Wasn't
So,
that? I don't fucking. That's the point. You don't think I
All
care.
right, go ahead and hop in,
I
please.
don't care at all. I can't get out. I need assistance.
all right.
Keep caution on my wrist, dude.
Well, we gotta help you up. You can. Okay.
Keep caution on my
Hold
wrist,
the
gay boy.
pocketbook. All right, go ahead, slide in.
I want my purse back.
We're
If
gonna,
he's
yes,
stealing
I'm
money,
gonna take it and put it
I
in the
like
car.
you, but fat face, he's
Okay,
stealing
well,
my
slide
money.
in for me. That's fine. We'll
I
slide
bought
in.
him money in the purse. I want it back.
I will get
And
the
he has
purse.
no
That's
dick.
fine.
He's gay.
I will get the purse. Slide in so I can seatbelt you, please.
You want lesbian sex? And him fucking beautiful. And he's with that
thank you.
fucking face.
All right. Well, I gotta just seatbelt you in, okay?
I don't give a fuck. The bartender and the dude. Same here, necessary. I can get out of this fucking. You know who my ex-husband was?
Oh,
I'm out of here in no time.
all right.
She was booked and everything. We don't know when she'll be released. It
Doing
might
extra
be
hours.
tonight. Yeah.
Okay.
So if she comes back, just give us a call. Because I know her mom still stays here.
Hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully she starts to like sober up.
And they have a reservation over at the Westin tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
So I just got the phone to Westin saying,
Give them a heads up.
yeah.
Okay, perfect.
That
probably fine when she's
daughters
sober.
don't have any alcohol.
Right.
Right. That's the issue I think too. Is the alcohol. She's probably a nice person.
Yeah.
Of course, like everybody else.
What surprised me is that the mother, knowing this, didn't try to give like the bartender or bartender a heads up on it. Because
Right.
she was, we only had 2 drinks. Not even a second drink. The second drink was tossed on some other lady.
So why didn't the other lady want to? Did she not want to make?
The young girls, I mean, they had other events to get to tonight.
Oh, they didn't want
And
to.
as long as you know, the woman was removed from property here, they were fine with that. That was their main concern.
Okay.
So they weren't
Yeah.
gonna
Make a report on it.
make a huge thing over. All right, so that's some liquor and one of this. It's unfortunate, but not.
And that trespass is good for a year. So
All right.
if she comes back anytime,
So is mom still
In that
staying here
time
tonight?
Yeah, because mom lives 3 hours away, so she didn't have a whole lot of other options.
If you see mom leave, she's probably going to pick her up. Just say,
I sat down with mom after you guys
Okay.
left and said, you know, as long as she's not, if you're not going to bail her out tonight or anything like that, and she not shows up here, then you know we can let you stay. Because,
that's not her fault. She
yes.
She was charged with trespassing.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.